Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome to Class 3 Social Studies. Today, we will discuss the sixth chapter of your SST book, I Love My India. Students, we all love our motherland, India. So, let us discuss about the India. India is officially known as the Republic of India. Republic means a country that has an elected government and an elected leader. Means the leaders of that country are elected by the people of the country. It is situated in South of Asia. You have already learned about the continents. Asia is the biggest continent and India is situated in the south of Asia. It is the seventh largest country by area and it is the second most populated country after China. You all know that its capital is New Delhi. India's neighbors. India shares its boundaries with many countries. Let us discuss this with the help of this map. Students, you have already studied about the reading of the map. The top of the map always shows the north, the bottom is south, and the right hand side is east and left hand side is west. So, in this map, the Pakistan and Afghanistan are in the west side of India. The Myanmar and Bangladesh are in the east side. The Nepal and Bhutan are in the north side of India and Sri Lanka is in the south of India. Next topic is governance and administration. India is a big country. It has been divided into 28 states and 8 union territories for easy and efficient governance and administration. You can see the states and union territories in this map and can also find out the locations of the states with the help of this map. This map is also given in your worksheet number 6. Names of the states and capitals. This table shows the 28 states and their capitals. You can pause this video and can learn the states and their capitals. I have already given some of them in your worksheet number 6. Now, find out your state Uttar Pradesh and its capital in this table. Yes, here is your state Uttar Pradesh and its capital is Lucknow. Now, pause this video and read all the states and their capitals. Names of Union Territories and Capitals. Union Territory is a small administrative unit that is governed by the central government. This table shows the names of Union Territories and their capitals. Governments in India. A government is a group of people who work together to run a city, state, or country. There are two types of government in our country. These are the central government and the state government. First is central government. It is also known as union government. It makes laws for the entire country. It has its offices in New Delhi. The President of India and the Prime Minister with his Council of Ministers run this government. Next is state government. It is difficult for the central government to solve the problems of all the people of 28 states. Therefore, each state elects its own government. It is called the state government. The governor and the chief minister with the Council of Ministers run this government. At the end of the chapter, some points to remember. India is officially known as the Republic of India. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. The largest state is Rajasthan and the smallest state is Goa. The central government looks after the whole country. The state governments govern the states. The union territories are directly governed by the union governments. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this chapter. Now learn and revise your worksheet number 6 and 7. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Thank you.